Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. I'm Joy. Today we are learning greetings and saying goodbye. Let's start. First we'll learn greetings. 早晨 Good morning. 午安 Good afternoon. 晚安 Good evening or good night. Hello.你好 Hello. 早唞 Good night. In casual conversations, we do not speak 午安 or 晚安. We always say hello in the afternoon and in the evening. In formal situations, we say 你好. For example, business people speak 你好 to one another. Before we sleep, we say 早唞 Good night. Then we'll learn how to say goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. 再見, see you. That's it for today. Bye bye.